Hello friends, in today's lecture I would like to explain you a program of linear search. First of all, I explain the concept of linear search. Linear search means the array is given as input and we have to find one element which is entered by the user from that array. If element is found, the message will be displayed, the element is found, and at which location that element is found, the location is also given by the program. And if element is not found, the appropriate message will be displayed onto the computer screen. So first of all, we have to give a array as an input to our program. For that, first of all, we take a class whose name is array, in which, as we know that the class has a syntax ended with the semicolon and consists of data member and member function. I declare here the data member which contains the array of 10 element, n for the number of elements into the array, atom the atom which you want to search, and k for looping the array. And two member function are there, get and lsearch. Get is used for inserting the array element. And lsearch is lsearch will search the element from the array. Search element from array. As we already told you that the member function is always declared into the public section, as you can access it outside of the class. Here definition of get is given here. You know the syntax, return type, name of the class, scope resolution operator, and the name of the function, in which one variable one value is taken from the user, which is stored into the variable n. This n represents the size of the array, and this for loop is to take the element from the user. Here for loop goes from 0 to n, because you know that the first position of the array always is at the 0 position. That's why the first initialize I to the 0 and the loop will be ended to the n. N is the size of the array. And here one by one we can insert the element into the array. Now the another member function is the lsearch. Lsearch will find out the element which is present to the array or not. Here also one element is taken from the user. Now that element is the element which you want to search from the array. Now here again we take one for loop which is also run from the 0 to n, because we have to search the element from the first position to the last position of the array. And in the for loop we take here the one if condition, and in if condition we check here a of I is equal to atom. Here a of I is the position where we want to search the element, and atom is the element which is entered by the user. One by one we will check this element. If the condition is true, that means we found the element found the element. Otherwise, if condition is false, then we not found that element. After that we declare here the main function. In the main function again we create the object here, and after creating the object get method and the lsearch method, both methods are to be called by using this object a.get and l.lsearch. Now here I save my program and run it by pressing the Ctrl F9. Here I entered the size of the array 5. Now entered the element into the array. Here we can insert the unsorted array also and sorted array also. Now after that I press 7 Now the message is display that element 7 is found at the fourth location. Here element is 7 here, and position of that 7 is the fourth location. I hope you will understand the concept of this linear search by hearing my program. And if you have any query regarding that, you can call me or you can mail me anytime. Okay, goodbye.